Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video we're going to be discussing Facebook traffic. Now, I'm sure you all know that Facebook is the most popular social media website on the planet, with over 1 billion users worldwide. Obviously this gives us marketers a great opportunity to get in front of potential prospects. Now, the thing about Facebook is it allows you to target people with specific interests. And one of the best ways of targeting traffic on Facebook is through Facebook groups, also known as the group strategy. So, depending on what niche you're targeting, obviously we are targeting the Make Money Online niche. You need to join as many of these groups as you can. You can also create your own groups and add as many people as possible. That's a great strategy. Now we're going to start off by showing you how to join some of these groups. You want to be searching for Make Money Online groups. See, here's a couple here that I've previously joined. This one's got 92,222 members, which is a lot of potential prospects. Some of these posts are getting very good engagement, 47 comments. Now, one of the groups that I've used quite often is the Affiliate Marketing Worldwide groups. And the reason for this is because it's got 163,770 members, which is quite a lot of prospects that you can market to. So the idea with this strategy is, what you want to do is post an ad here. What I've noticed is a lot of people are posting boring ads, and they kind of wonder why no one's engaging with their posts. The trick is you need to post an engaging ad with lots of detail. Adding emojis, and maybe an eye-catching photo, better yet, a video. And the idea is you want to attract maximum attention to your post, and that's what we're looking for. You want the maximum amount of attention so you can add to your email list and make sales. Now, what you're looking to do here is make your posts go viral. What happens is when you post your ad here and you find that no one's engaging with your post, the post will actually go down the front page of the group. And because the groups are so active, the post is going to get lost and you're not going to get any engagement at all. So you want to keep your post at the top of the group. That's generating constant engagement. Now, a little trick that I use is that I create fake Facebook profiles, which I actually use to comment on my posts when I post my ads. So when people see that people are engaging with my post, then others will comment and engage, and that'll keep your post at the top of the page. Now I'll show you an example of a post that I created a while ago that went viral. Here you go. Now, this was posted on the 23rd of November, and it received 188 comments. And you notice how visual the post is. You've got all these emojis. Very detailed message, a lot of details. And the photo down here is basic, but it's a kind of standout, attractive photo. And I find that yellow is quite a standout colour in general. And the post is going to stand out. If you're scrolling down the group looking for an opportunity, it's going to stand out to people. So looking back at this, I recall making over about $300 with this post alone. So clearly this strategy works. Now the thing is, when you post one of these engaging advertisements, people are going to start commenting. Now the way to engage with these people is, whatever you do, do not post your link directly to the person who's commented, as this can be seen as spamming. And Facebook can potentially ban you for that. So what you need to do is click on the person that's commented on your post, add that person as a friend, and then send them a message. Send them a private message, adding your link in your message. Now sometimes when you send someone a message, that message will go into their message requests inbox, and that means that they might never check it, so it's best to add them as a friend and letting them know on your post that you've sent them a message, as I've done here. You can see one reply to the Chamberlain Jones. Satish Yadav, I've sent you a private message. And I've done the same thing with all the other comments. So I've informed them that I've sent them a private message, so when they go and check their inbox, they'll see that I've sent them a message, and if it's not in their main inbox, it's going to be in the message request inbox. Now, using this strategy is a great way to build your list and make sales at the same time. It works very, very well, and it's a very simple strategy that you can use consistently in your business. Okay guys, that's it for this video. In the next video we'll be covering Instagram marketing and the benefits we can get from using that platform. So I'll see you in the next video guys.